Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to create a dynamic filter in Django REST framework. So I have already created a filter. Let's see in the action it first. So I have here a book list API and I have some parameters here. So let's see this action first. Let's pass without any parameter. I will get all the books. Now if I pass the horror as a genre, it will filter out all the books from horror genre. Okay, here you can see all the books from horror genre. Now what problem I want to solve here is there is some situation where you want to filter based on different attribute based on your condition. Let's say I want to filter on price if genre is romance, and if it is not romance then I want to filter based on price too. So how can we build this? We will see in this video today. So if I pass the horror and pass the price as 109, minimum price as 109, we will get all the books that have priced to as more than 109. Here you can see I got two books which have price to as more than 109. Also I can filter in price range here. If I pass price maximum as 290 and filter this data, I'll get same data because I have to only two in that price range. And if I switch this to 130, then I'll get just one book. And if I switch the genre to romance and filter the same price range, I don't get any books because I don't have any books in this price range based on price. So if I change this to price to 50 and this I will keep as 130, I'll get two books because in the price range of 50 to 130 I have two books based on price attribute. So let's see the code how we built this. Here I created a class book filter. First of all, I imported the book model from my models. Here you can see what my model looks like. I have a title, I have a foreign key to genre which contains just a title. I have a description, price and price to. This is all I have in my model. It's a simple model. And in filter, I have imported book model and I have imported REST frameworks as a filter from Django filters. You need to install this and the command is something like pip install Django filters. I will write it here. Pip install Django filter. This command will install the Django filter. Now let's say see the class. I have a book filter class. I have imported filter set from these filters and I want to filter it based on price as well as genre. So I have taken two fields here, genre as a character field and this field name is it's a based on our model. As you can see in the model, I have a genre which is foreign key and underscore underscore I took title because I want to filter it on a genre's title. And as expression I took I content means whatever you pass the string, it will be compared and checked if that string is present in the title or not. And second is price, which is range filter. Range filter gives us two extra parameters to pass along with the attribute. If I have a price, then you can pass as price underscore minimum and price underscore maximum. It will be automatically filtered based on minimum price and maximum price. Okay, and field name is price. By default I chosen here price. And in the init method, what I did is I checked the genre. If the genre is romance, then I am keeping it as it is on the price field. But if it is not a romance genre, then I'm changing the field to price to. So what happening here is, only if the genre is romance, the data is filtered based on price. Otherwise it is filtered based on price too. That's all in the filter. And I have created a class meta, pass the model as book, and whatever fields I have used here, I have noted down here in the field section. Okay, and in the views section, what I did is I just imported Django filter backend from the Django filters.rest framework, and I have imported book filter here. Then in my listing API, I took filter backends as a search filter and backend filter. This is not necessary. I just took it for a search functionality. It is not necessary. You can only include Django filter backend. And I set filter set class to our filter class, which is book filter. We have created in our filter.py file. After that, here is a general get method. Okay. The code is very simple. Here you can see. Now let's see this in action again. If I pass romance genre, it should be filter. As you can see here, if it is a romance genre, it should be filter based on price. So I have passed price as minimum to 50 and maximum to 130. I'm filtering this data. As you can see, I got two books based on price. 59 is price and 55 is price. And if I change this to only to 55, I should get only one book here. As you can see, I just got one book. Now if I change the romance genre to horror, it should not give me any book because I don't have any book in this price range based on price to tag. So if I change this to 100 minimum price and maximum price to 200, then I should get some books because I have two books in this price range for price to tag. So I hope this video helped you into understanding how dynamic filter can be created in Django REST framework. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.